Okay, we got the fire in there going. So from my perspective, it looks like the front burner is burning at a lower pressure. You can see on the camera it's showing hotter at the back there. And that's what I've seen typically. Just turn the pressure up a bit. Running at 20 psi at full propane tank. Sounds normal from my experience. Yeah, I think the front burner is not getting as much pressure. I'll turn it down to 6, which is turning it down to 6 psi, which is the lowest that the forge can run at. Almost looks like the flame is trying to climb back through the burner there. On the front, the back is still okay, it looks like. Yeah. So I'm going to try cleaning out the orifices and see if this fixes it. Let's see if I can record this. So I use just a tiny, it's a paper clip. I basically sharpen one end of it so it can fit in the hole. Shawn recommends using MIG wire. It's like 0.023 inches. Let's see if I can do this. It's pretty delicate. Something I've noticed over time, there, I got it in, so I can really wiggle it around now. I might have increased the size of the hole here. I don't know if that's what's causing that problem. And the back one should be fine because the pressure coming out of that is good. So I'm just going to leave that, and we'll see what happens now. And get it going.